Okay, folks, one of these things is not like the other. I cannot believe some of the stuff people will go through to keep something on the road without spending just a couple of bucks to fix it. This was $20, okay? And they probably got more hardware in whatever in the hell they did here. We got a 90-degree piece right here. Well, not quite 90. It's kind of an offset deal. And they cut the snorkel off that was supposed to be there when I guess it split or something. Went with a big old honking hose clamp. Went with our angled gizmo here. And that might not have air leaked all that bad. But I'm not ever sure when zip ties became a good replacement for hose clamps. Yeah, if you're like in the middle of nowhere, maybe, but this wouldn't leave you stranded if you were in the middle of nowhere. So, this is ridiculous. And I guess this was supposed to make up for the fact that this isn't a clamp. I don't know what this stuff is, but it's smeared on there pretty good. It did set up at least. But anyway, this was my lean code, I imagine. I haven't got it on there yet, so I can't say for sure, but it's definitely unmetered air was getting in. Now I just got to put it all back together.